Hi, to change lock screen shortcuts on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to press and hold your current lock screen like this, till you will see this option to unlock it for editing. Now select to customize your lock screen, and after that you will see those two controls on the display, so on the bottom of the display. And to change them, we need to just click on this minus above the icon. So let's say I want to replace my flashlight with something else. For that I need to click on minus, then tap on this plus and find something in this list. So we got connectivity, clock, display and brightness, even Instagram and more. For example, let's set voice memos. So just click selected feature and it will appear on the bottom of the display. We can also replace camera with something else. So let's pick, for example, calculator and also tap done. Now if you want to easily start voice recordings, then you can press and hold the icon, and now it is started. You can press and hold it again to end. To easily open a calculator, just press and hold this icon, and this is it. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.